Good morning. Welcome to this new slow life of mine. Newly retired city girl, and I am building a pantry, planting an amazing food garden, and designing in my own home and really focusing on my home. But guess what? We're at my sister's house, and she is an artist and a life coach, career coach. So everything about her is inspiring. Everything, okay? Everything. So here I am. We are going to play golf today. And I wanted to tell you one very cool thing. Yesterday, we did a practice round and I got a hole in one. So I don't know how today is going to go, but I don't care. I'm just riding high. But I want you to see her studio. I got to show you this. Look at her barns. And she just plays with it. Do you know what I mean? She just, oh, I'm just goofing around. Oh, you, inspiration, complete and utter inspiration. Here's her book. And she just does all this amazing stuff. Is she talented or what? I am also going to show you parts of her garden, which are beautiful. And then I will try to get a picture of the outside of her house because that's really cool as well. So I'm coming off Hell Week in my life. I was supposed to slow down, but I had to help move my parents out of their home. And that practically crippled me. Like I was miserable. And then when I went to catch my flight and it was delayed, I didn't care because I got to sit alone with no one needing anything. My other huge issue is my daughter's best friend survived a float plane crash and she lived. So her life, my daughter's life, and her best friends, their entire life is on hold. So they're living and recovering with us. My daughter is staying with her to help. And then together they're going to pick up their life once she gets out of a wheelchair and move to San Diego, which was their original intent. But they did not plan on a plane crash, but she's alive. So life has been hell. So I'm grateful for beautiful moments like this. I'm grateful that I get to spend a day golfing and get my life back on track, get more time for myself. And this is just the start. And I have a whole list of art stuff that I'm going to do. So join me in my shenanigans. We're going to move into a little bit of crafty, creative stuff. Okay, ciao for now.
You want me to picture her?
Mm-hmm.